Assalamu alaikum, grade 1, and welcome to your computing class. I'm your ma'am Omama, and this is our third lesson of week number 5, right? So, we have already covered a lot of topics, and this week we started with internet. We started with digital literacy, right? The world of internet. And then I told you that we will be doing a lot of things in this related to this topic, related to internet, but the things would be limited, the functions would be limited. The things that we will discuss definitely would be that you can easily learn, that you can easily understand, and that is useful for you. Okay, so we started with basic introduction to internet, and I also told you what is web page, what are websites, how we can look for different web pages, what is search engine, how we can search for something, all of these things. Now in today's class, the topic which is very important that we should know is scrolling. You must have heard this word somewhere. How many of you have heard this term scrolling? Somebody asks you what are you doing, and or somebody asks somebody that what are you doing, and they would say scrolling. Do you know there are different types of apps, let's say Facebook, Instagram, and all of that, in which people spend hours. And if somebody asks them what were you doing, do you spend all of these hours, and they say, oh yeah, I just sit and I spend 3 hours in scrolling. What is scrolling? Have you seen people holding their mobile screens like this and doing this? Have you seen? This is called scrolling. What we do, we just keep on, with our finger, we keep on turning the pages, we keep on turning the things, and then we found new things. And what is that? Basically, on internet, on every second, hundreds of thousands of things are being uploaded, and we keep on scrolling, and we look for those things, right? There must be news, there must be images, there must be videos, everything, whatever you want to. So scrolling is not a waste of time if you do it for a good purpose, or it's not a bad thing if you do it for a good purpose. Let's say you search for something, and then there are a lot of options for that, so you can scroll and find the one which is relevant for you. Okay, so what is scrolling? Basically, let's first read it from your book. You are supposed to open your book, page number 23 over there, and it says the web page has many pictures. You cannot see them all at once, right? So scrolling is a way to look through a big page and turn the wheel on your mouse. Now let's say, let me share the screen with you and show you how you can do this. Okay, I'm going to share the screen with you, and you are supposed to tell me if it is visible to you or not. Sorry, I forget to share the sound. Okay, can you see? Okay, over here in the search engine, I would be writing anything. Let's say benefits of eating healthy. Okay, now the page has been open, a new tab has been opened for me. Now there are a lot of information, but what is visible to me only is the top 10 benefits of eating healthy. Only this part is visible to me. I cannot see the other things. Let's say below there are other options for that: health benefits of eating well, 5 benefits of eating healthy, what are the benefits of healthy diet, why healthy eating matters, all of these things. So if I would just open it and sit like this, I would be only able to see this part of page. Now, if I want to see more, I need to scroll the page. And what is scrolling? Can you see on this page, there is this gray color box, a rectangular thing. If I click, put my mouse or put my cursor on this and bring it down, it will show me other and new options. And I'll keep on doing this. Now how I am doing this, not only for Google, and now if let's say I click on images, and now I have multiple options of images in front of me, but I cannot look at all of these options at once. So I'll be adopting the same method, and I'll do scrolling. Now see, I have multiple options from that, right? And I can open any one which is relevant for me. Now, not only in this, not only in Google, you can do this in your computer. Let's say you want to look at different folders, you want to look at the images, you went to a party, and now you want to look at all of the pictures. So, a bit of pictures or a few pictures would be in front of you if you will click on the folder. But if you want to look at all of them, you are supposed to scroll. Now, if you have a touch screen laptop or a mobile phone, there is no need of the mouse. You can do it with your finger, right? But similarly, there are laptops as well on which there is this touch screen, and you can scroll from your finger. But if it is not, you would be needing a mouse. Now let me share the screen and show you how you can scroll with the help of mouse. This is the mouse, and the small ball type thing which is over here helps you in scrolling. If you keep on rotating it, it will show you the other pages. If you turn this ball on the forward position, it will take you to the top of the page, and if you bring it in the downward position, it will take you to the bottom of the page. Okay, so this is how we scroll, or this is how we look at each and everything, or whatever the page, whatever the information is on the page, you can easily look at that through this. Okay, so scrolling is very important. Why? Because if you want to look at information, let's say you want to, your teacher gives you a home assignment that you are supposed to write an essay on something, and you search for the relevant topics. Now the page that will be open for you, or the tab that will be open for you, would be showing you only one or two options, but you want to know more information related to that, so you would be scrolling the page, and then you will be looking at other options, right? Okay, so now there is a small activity for you. You are supposed to open the search engine right over there about rainforest animals, scroll the page, go to the bottom, and then draw a picture whatever you see over there. Open the search engine, write rainforest animals, then scroll the page, go to the bottom, and whatever the type of picture, whatever the picture of animal you find there on the bottom of the page, you are supposed to draw that picture on your notebook. Got it? Hurry up. Hurry up. All of you are done? Okay, good. Now, what is your home assignment? That you are supposed to open a web page related to anything. Let's say any topic, you can choose whatever you like to, and then open a web page related to that topic, and then write few lines. Read it, whatever is written over there, understand it, and then write few lines in your own words on your notebook by explaining whatever you find helpful on that web page. Let's say you search for the role of online learning, right, or the benefits of online learning. Then read something about it, not only from one page, read it from two to three multiple pages, and then write on your notebook that whatever you read, what do you understand from that. Okay, so that is your home assignment. That was all for today. Do share this video with others because it's free learning. Do good and have good. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.